array. So now let me see whether live is configured correctly or not. Okay, I will tell you how to use that. Srisha, I will explain at the end of the class. Okay, that's not a big deal. So, okay, what is array? Array used to manage a single value or a collection of values. Array used to manage a single value or a collection of values. A collection of values. Everyone knows that. Now, collection of. So, what are the properties of array? I know some of you know this one. That's why I'm asking this question. What are the properties of the array, or what are the basic rules about the array? You are coming from different programming background. I guess you already use. Very good, Uday Kiran. Very good. That's a good one. Very good, Uday Kiran. Very good, Uday. So what is the answer? Array stores similar values or homogeneous values. I don't prefer that word. Similar values or same type of values. So in the programming world, don't use the fancy words. We are the programmers, not the document writers or book writers. Okay. As a programmer, we need to know what we can use. It is not for writing or it is not for passing the exams. It is about writing a good code and writing the efficient code. Think like that. So right now, array used to store similar values or same type of values. It is used to store same type of values. Type means here, sir, data type. Used, it is a common basic rule, sir. That is the first rule. I guess there is a second rule, sir. What is that? Array size is fixed. Array size is fixed. Once we define the array, we cannot increase the size of the array. Suppose if I declare an array of 10, sir, array of what is the value? How many values I am telling? A 10. So how many values I can store? 10. But at runtime, I get the 11th value. Your array cannot accommodate that. That is a common principles or common array properties or array rules in all programming languages. But this is not true coming to the JavaScript or TypeScript. Again, I'm telling this is not true. These are not applicable for what arrays are JavaScript arrays. Everyone remember this point. JavaScript arrays are dynamic. JavaScript arrays for what's a dynamic. Sir, can you define the dynamic? Yes. Dynamic means we can add a new element at any point of time and size automatically increase. We can remove the value, automatically size decrease. So array size is not fixed. It is based on the number of values. We can add the value, size will be increased. And in the same way, the first point is also not true. In JavaScript array, we can store different type of values also. That is what these are the two principles are not applicable for JavaScript arrays. Some of you know, some of you don't know these concepts. That is why I'm explaining everything, sir. Because you cannot means in the coming classes, in the Angular classes, we are going to learn. We are going to use the different type of arrays. So that is why I'm explaining these things. So it is these rules are not applicable for the JavaScript or TypeScript arrays. In general, can be stored different type of values. Different type of values. Second point, array size dynamic. So can you prove that? Yes, I'm going to do that within a minute. Let me open the example 47. So guys, at the end of the class, I will show you how to install this thing, Visual Studio, and as well as the our TypeScript related things also. Example 10 dot JS or TypeScript, both are fine, sir. Yes. So very simple. Let ID equal to. This is a valid array in any programming language or not? Yes, this is valid. Why? Because it is storing all the same type of values. All the same type of values. Comma. Now observe. True as well as ABC. Now I am asking the question. This array is valid in other programming languages? No, sir. It is not valid in other programming languages, but it is perfectly valid in JavaScript or TypeScript. JavaScript or TypeScript. So remember this point. So this is what the first example. So this is about the first thing. So refer example 10. The next one I'm going to prove it to you in the example. That is the one, sir. Refer example 11. I'm going to write that example within a minute. 47. Fourth one. Arrays. Okay. Very simple. Observe here, sir. Let names equal to S1, S2, S3. I'm writing into the console.log names. I'm printing the values, sir. I'm printing the values. So observe names dot. What is the method? First method I'm using push method. Now I'm adding a new value S4. So let us see the output, sir. '47 CMD example node example 11.js. So see, sir, at first when I define the array, how many values are there? 3 values are there. But observe, can I add a new value? Yes. The size of the array or number of elements in the array is increased by 1. The elements increased by 1. Now tell me, this one, this kind of feature or this kind of functionality is not possible in any other programming languages, but it is totally possible in what programming language? JavaScript or TypeScript. I'm talking about the server side, sir. So this is what I'm asking. So this is possible in what programming language? JavaScript or TypeScript. So why I need to learn about the arrays? I'm going to discuss in the coming session. But right now, this is the way. Now I am asking one simple thing. Sir, I want to access this value. How to do that? I want to access the first value. Guys, I'm asking a very simple question. How to do that? Very good, Uday. Very good, Uday. So I will give you the answer. What is the answer? Names of zero. Names of zero. Why, sir? Why? Okay, I agree. Index, buddy. Index. Okay, very good. So because index starts from zero. Why, sir, zero? Why zero? Why? That is one of the product-based company interview question. Don't say it is like that since the beginning of programming. Why, sir? Anybody knows about this one? I don't think so. So guys, I will give you the whole day, means today. Try to find the reason for that. Try to find the reason for that and let me know. And if you're already learning other courses, ask your faculties. Ask your faculties. Okay, that is about the array related ones. We have the push method and we have the pop method also to remove the values. To remove the values. Now I'm asking the question. Now observe pop. It will remove the value. It will remove the last value. Now, what will be the output? Can anyone tell me the answer for this one? What will be the output on the 13th line? The pop method will remove the last value. What will be the output on the 13th line? Think and tell me, sir. Think and tell me. See the see the whole thing once again and think and tell me. Very good, Vivek. Very good, Reddy. Very good, Sridhar. I'm expecting answer from everyone. Very good, Sirisha. Very good, Pranita. Also. So that is what observe here. What it will print, sir? S1 comma S2 comma S3. Now observe at this line. What will be the output, sir? How many values in the array? 4 values. Now after completing this operation, how many values will be there? 3 values. After completing this one, how many values are there? 2 values. This value will be print on the UI. So this is what as a programmer we need to understand and we need to learn one by one. So right now at first it will print all the value. After adding the value, it will add the at the answer and pop method will remove the value and pop method will remove the last value. The S3 is the last value and this will print. So right now we have the push method and pop method. Push method removes the last value. And in the same way, we have another method, pop method. Sorry. Add the value at the end. Pop method removes the last value. Sir, there are other methods are there. Let me explain them. Because as a programmer, we need to know about the array much, sir, in the JavaScript programming, especially, or in the TypeScript programming. So right now, observe, let values equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. I want to add a value at the start of the array. Can it be possible? Yes, sir. So values dot unshift 0 console dot log values. See, sir, we are able to add the one value at the start of the array. How it is possible? By using what is a method? Unshift method. By using what is a method? Unshift method. And the same way, we have the shift method to remove the value. Shift. Observe. To remove the first value. To remove the first value. So guys, do this exercise. What will be the output? What will be the output? I will give you the clue. Unshift method, add the value. Shift method will remove the value. Awesome, Sirisha. Very good. Very good, Sridhar. Very good, Srinivas. Very good, Kumar. Gopi, can you please verify once again? Reddy, can you please verify once again? Guys, just do the exercise. Very simple exercise. So again, I will give you the clue. Unshift will add the value. Shift will remove the value. So very simple. What will be the output, sir? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the output. So first it will remove the, sorry, after adding. Okay, that's great. What about this one, sir? It will remove this value also. So this is the output. This is the actual array content. So now we will add this one. Finally, this will be printed. So right now, these are the methods are available at the starting of the array, at the end of the array. So my requirement is, sir, can I remove this value? It is not possible, sir. By using either shift method or unshift, either shift method or by using the pop method. That is why we have a new method, the interview question. We have shift method to remove the first value. Unshift method to add the value at the start of the array. Now the interview question is, sir, can you give the difference between splice and slice method? That is the interview question, sir. So some of you don't know about these methods also, but this is the interview question you may get. That is why I'm explaining this one. So example 13.js. Very simple. Let values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The splice method is a combination of all these methods, push, pop, and shift and unshift. So very simple. Observe what is the value I want to remove? Third value. So very simple. Observe values dot. What is the method, sir? Splice. You need to provide the value you want to remove. So very simple. The index of the 3, sir. What is the index of 3? So let me provide this one. What is the index of S3, sir? guys, what is the index of S3? 2. Very simple, 2. Now observe 2 comma. How many values you want to remove? Only one value, sir. At the time, splice 1. So in this way, it automatically removes the S3 value. Now tell me, it is very useful or not? So you can delete the value at any index location, as well as suppose if you give how many values you want to remove, 2 values at the time, it will remove from starting from second index. How many values, sir? 2 values. So what is the output will be? S1, S2, S5. What is output will be? S1, S2, S5. So splice method is used to remove or add the values at any index location. That is the beauty of the splice method. It can do all of these things, sir. It accepts it accepts 2 or 3 arguments, 2 or more arguments. Suppose only 2 arguments is provided. The first is the index location. Second is the number of values to be deleted, to be removed. So this is the one, sir. So right now, what is the first one? Index location. The second is the number of values removed. Third or more is used to add the values. So let me show you that. Very simple. Console dot log. What is the answer? Values. I want to display the values. See, I guess 13 is the example. So what are the values? S1, S2, S5. S1, S2, S5. So guys, we are able to see the one. Sir, I want to add the value. I want to add the value by using the splice. Very simple. See, here I will add the S6. I will add the S6. Sir, can I do that? Yes, you can do. So very simple. Values dot splice. Observe 2. So 0. I don't want to remove any values, but I want to add S6. Yes. So see here output. So you can see at the second index location, what is the value is added, sir? S6. So by using the splice, we can have more functionality comparatively by using shift and unshift and all those methods or not. So these are the things we need to know. So what is the method we are having, sir? Splice method. What is the method we are having? Splice method. In the interviews, you will definitely will get a question about this one, sir. And it is little bit confusing. What is the method we also have? Slice method. Sir, I have a question about this one. Yes. What is the question, sir? I want to add and I want to remove also. I want to add and I want to remove also. Is there any way? Is there? Yes. So let me show you. This is the last possible way. Observe 2. So right now, what is the operation it will do, sir? The first, it will delete the value. What are the values it will delete, sir? These 2 values will be replaced by what are the value? S6. So let us see the output, sir. Let us run the program and let us understand the output. So see, sir, S3 and S4. Why? Because we want to remove the 2 values and it automatically removed. Sir, only one value can be added or multiple values? Yes, that is also possible. See the output. See the way I am configuring. Very simple. S6 comma S7. It is possible. See, sir. So these are the different variations of what is a program, sir? Splice. What is the function we are having? Splice method. So we can only delete the value, or we can only add the value, or we can add or delete a single value, or we can add or delete multiple values. That is totally possible. That is totally possible by using a single method. That is the beauty, sir. By using a single method, we are able to do add or remove operation at any index location. At any index location. That is why in the latest code, you are going to see what are the methods, sir, by using the splice. By using the splice. Sir, okay, I understand the splice method. What is slice method, sir? So slice is nothing but a part of the object or not. So right now, a slice is nothing but a part of the array. Suppose if you want to access, if you want to get a part of the array, at the time I will use what is the method, sir? Slice method. So let me show you very simple way. Let sub array equal to slice. Sorry, values dot slice. Now start and ending index. So very simple. I'm giving the 2 comma. So if you don't provide, it will take the law until last, but I'm giving 4. So see, 2 means this one, 4 means the excluding one, the last one, we get the array. So now tell me, what is the slice will do, sir? It will give the part of the array or sub array. It is slice. Sometimes in the interviews they will get you slice method is used to get part of the array. Refer example 30. So these are the basic array operations. So there are other operations also there. So in your free time, just go with that and understand this one. So these are the some questions related to the array. Now I will tell you TypeScript installation. So guys,